Hello friends, it's Shubham here. Today we will see a very interesting topic, that is how to download the Udemy videos for free and free. You you guys have heard about the Udemy. Udemy is a learning portal developed by this shitty Americans. You can download all type of videos over there related to the marketing, IT and so on. As we Indians, we all know that. We Indians doesn't want to spend a single penny on anything. Anything means anything. So let us see what is this Udemy and how we can download the free videos from it. Let's go to the search bar, type Udemy over here. We can see Udemy online courses, learn anything on your schedule. Udemy was founded by an American online learning platform. We can see that. Let's open it. Guys, my net is quite slow. Oh, this is Udemy. There are a lot of courses. More than 1 lakh online courses. That's crazy. Let's see what type of courses they have. They have the courses related to business, design, photography, development, marketing, IT and software, personal development. Means they are covering everything. Let's see. Being an aspirant of computer science, let's search down for some coding language. Let's search down for the most popular language these days, that is Python. As I'm beginner for it, Python for the beginners. Wow, that's amazing. There are more than 10,000 results for Python for beginners only. That's good. Let's get down there. Learn Python programming masterclass, Python for absolute beginners, the Python mega course. That's good. Python for beginners, Bible, Python Bible. Wow, Python Gita, Python Bible. Nice. The complete Python course. Let's check it out this guy. He has a photo. The complete Python course. Learn Python by doing. For 55 rupees. That used to be 11,520 rupees. 96% off. Wow, that's a huge amount. I don't want to spend this for 55 rupees also. I want to get it free. So how? Question. This is a question and the answer is over here. Just select the course. Just select the course, complete Python course, learn Python by doing. Just select the course, the title of the course. Select and copy it. And in new tab, you got to open free course site. Free course site. You can see the URL, that is freecoursesite.com. Search your favorite course. Here there is a search option. You can paste down your title of the video, search it. Oh, he's the same guy. Let me see. Yeah, he's the same guy. You can download his videos, the complete Python course. Here are the mentioned details, requirement and all this thing he has mentioned. How you can get benefit from the Python courses, what is the use of Python. Let's come to the matter. The size is 12.38 GB. That's quite huge. Download. Let's go for the further details. That is download now. You will get a captcha box. I'm not a robot. Of course, I'm not a roboman. Click here to continue. Oh, we have to wait for 10 seconds. We are getting our NASA missile to be launched. Your link is almost ready. 1. Action. Get the link. Get the link. Oh, Our torrent link has been over here. This is our torrent link. So download the videos, enjoy the videos, and spread among your friends. So they will also get benefit from it. So this is the way you can get the online courses from the Udemy in a free form. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Adios Omegas. This is Shubham, over and out. Bye friends.